Thank you for coming on into the live and sharing your essence with me in this eternal moment of which we all share an inextricable and inexorable part. Thank you for doing your part, for coming on in each and every day. We'll do the same without wasting a single second of your time. Bada bing, bada boom, we go into the charts. So this impulse retrace and continuation to the 706 bounce has basically negated itself by coming above the 236 here, so I will delete this bearish trend based fib. It served its purpose and gave us the rocket ships down here for that reversal. I wish I could log into Discord from my PC. For whatever reason, when I rebooted my computer, it says this weird, sorry you've been blocked, but I can still access from my phone. So if it's not one thing, it's another, that's for darn sure. So all right, so we're just chilling, making sure everything's copacetic here. Let's just get out of the daily time frame actually. Let's go make sure we're logged into the chat from our phone, so if the Momentum Master people want to hop into the Discord chat, I can see them through there. Let's go to the Go Live option. I did switch to a copyright-free playlist for today. We'll see how this works, whether I get notified of anything or not. Shout out to everyone here. What's up? So we have some fair value gaps on our way up into this vector, if this is where we choose to go. Some big pools here. Let's go ahead and minimize this. make sure the audio is okay and all that. I've been having some issues these days with audio. Can everybody hear me correctly? Can everyone hear me? Test, test, test. 1, 2. I don't know how the Discord. Anyone ever experienced that? Where your Discord does this? This is the first time I've seen this. Even if I go through the website, if I go to like discord.com. And you say open Discord. Hold on, let me try to log in through this really quick. Let's try this. Discord 058631. Ooh, we got it. Alright, so we got it through the website. Does that mean this should work now? Alright, so we got it, we're up and running, whatever that weird error was. Alright, so I can get out of my phone one really quick, disconnect from there. So we're going into the Traders Zone in the Momentum Master Discord for a Friday hangout if you guys are wanting to come in. Yeah. Okay, so that fixed itself, whatever I did there. So we're doing some synthwave today, a little bit more chill. Does the audio come through for whoever's out there? So there's some fair value gaps in these candles here. One inside this wick up here above this range. You got some inside this drop down here to come back to. Technically you could view this on a 15-minute time frame as one. It's quite a ways away, 15,290. And let's go ahead and put our lines up for when we're trying to start the hour of power here. Got 25 minutes for the open. All right, getting situated. Okay, so it's Run for Profit Friday, and they are making a point of coming up to the buy side liquidity range at 15K. We just tapped it. Let's go ahead and just see what's up. Had previous bearish divergence over here on the oscillator, lower high, higher high, starting to play out here as we drop beneath the trend dots on the 1 minute. Let's go ahead and take a look at the previous buy side to a large degree, 3,000 contracts positive as we spiked up for the second M type pattern before we dropped there. Let's go ahead and close this out. I'm going to lower this down to 1 with no stop loss right now because I have to do my punt across the finish line play here. So let's do that really quick. Punt across the finish line, these ones that are already passed. So we'll just go like this. All right, and then close it. Got 7 points there. All right, so those ones are still good. Should receive an email about them later. So we'll disconnect these now, reconnect the evals, turn on the thing that sends stuff to the Discord, and turn back on the ATM strategy. Do we want to do 4-pack right out the gate? Not really. Let's just get our whistle with the 3-pack. Make sure it's MNQ, okay. Save that just to be clear always. Make sure you save as micros because you never know. Okay. Where is everybody? Earth to everybody, where are you? Do they not know I'm on or something? Like, what's going on? There it is. Earth to everybody, where are you? Okay, we did 6 trades yesterday. That was, I think, 4 out of 6. That was pretty good. 2/3 correct. So for the open, most likely they come back into some of these fair value gaps a little bit and then maybe have a retest of this 4-minute cloud area for a possible continuation. You had this nice kiss off the cloud pre-market. You are already kind of having 1, 2, 3 legs up here for the Asian session. You could look at this as one giant leg, and then we had this other one, the second wave yesterday. First wave up out of the initial drop down. I prefer to go into it unbiased because then you can catch both sides without a hesitation. Everyone could hear me properly, right? Pop up. All right, so that's going off there. Okay, so we punted those. Those are ready to go, basically. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, all good to go. 53. All right, and then okay. So VWAP down at 14,952. Good 50 points away. We could come down to this point of control at 950. Value area low at 857 or 897. Value area high where we're at currently. So anyone's guess, do we come down to the VWAP at 952 and the point of control to kind of test the sell side level of things first? 952 would have you where exactly? Let's go find that out. 952 would take you down to the super trend on the 16 bar. Take you down to recover that entire burst up, and basically the range there, sweeping the lows of that consolidation up. So since we had a impulse retrace to the upside, let's go see if there's any bullish trend-based fib levels we can look out for. So as it stands, we went above the 1382. There was no real confluence there. It's the first retrace technically, so starting to get a cross down and indecision on the 4-minute here, coming back to kiss the cloud and or test the sell side wouldn't be obscene to think. Could do an extended M before they do that to go up, to go down. Trapdoor of 706 at the 1516 region. Fair value gap at 26. Yo, what's up everyone? Everyone could hear me loud and clear, I hope. Not like the Asian session technical difficulties. So let me tell you what happened. Like I had Wavelink here, configure Wavelink, this software to my Wave XLR wanted to update randomly as I was streaming, so basically removed everything. I hope it didn't just do that now. Is the audio okay now? Hold up. It's got me paranoid now when I just hit that X button. Wanted to update randomly as I was streaming, so basically removed everything. I hope it didn't just do that now. Is the audio okay now? Hold up. It's got me paranoid. Alright, so it should be okay. "12 minutes for the open." Oh, by the way, there is a sale link in the description for more. If you go into the description, there's a sale for the Bulanox. Bulanox has a 90% off code. I should have edited that to 90%. There's a 90% off code and a 90% off code for Apex going on right now, if you're interested in those bargains and whatnot. Let me go ahead and change that. Save. Starting to see do not enter, the momentum shifting on the lower time frames to the downside perhaps. Coming beneath the trend dots on the 2 minute here. Let's go ahead and switch this to the 1. What's up, Subi? I'm in the chat if you're interested. Booyah. Ah, cool. So the session delta taking the buy side for a ride, positive 3,000 contracts in buy side liquidity imbalance, sell side inefficiency, whatever you want to call it, the BC, all the new terms that people like to rename stuff. And you can see that here, a lot of buys up in this region. So coming back to test how many of these were shorts, they'll take them for a ride into the sell side, and then any shorts that enter they can use as fuel for that continuation if the run for Profit Friday is to continue to test the highs of the upside and continue to squeeze shorts in disbelief.
Yo.
Hey, what's up, man?
Ooh, man, had some Discord drama. I guess a bunch of people got it.
You had that too? It said you're blocked, right?
Okay, so it wasn't just me.
Yeah, I had that on the beginning of the stream, and I was like, what the? I was like, anyone else have this? It was the first time I ever had that.
Yeah, I think it's going around. It's pretty rough.
Yeah, I was like freaking out. It worked on my phone though. I was like, wait, what? On the see, watch. Like, I'll go back to the beginning of the stream. Where was it?
Oh shit! Look what the cat dragged in.
Yeah, that was so weird. It was like... Yeah, there. It's like, sorry, you have been blocked. You are unable to access Discord. Why have I been blocked? And I was like, wait, what?
Yeah, I wasn't a fan of that. That was not a good time. It's like, oh, well, how about this?
I read about it and they said just like, wait a minute and it'll reconcile or whatever. So they gave the shorts a bit of a squeeze, it looks like.
Strange there. Yeah, what's going on? I can't even... I'm like catching up now. Like one of my charts is just frozen in place. That's particularly awkward.
We have a 3,000 imbalance in session delta for the buy side, so I was saying that we're also at the value area high at 504, although they set it as they hit it. So, I mean, then there's a bunch of buys up in this region. So, how many of those are squeezed shorts being popped, or how many of them are newly opened longs? The only way to find out is to test it by going down, is what I was thinking. And then if they induce enough sells, then they can basically continue the squeeze if they like. I mean, I don't really go in thinking I know where it's going at all, but I'm just saying that's where the imbalance looks to be right now. Can you hear in the Discord my music? No, right?
No.
I cannot.
Okay.
It's fine.
I was watching a documentary about that like trader guy who like made his own code to like mess with the quants and crash the stock market again. Like that guy, he's pretty cool.
It sounds like a good time.
He didn't mean to. He was just like he broke it by accident.
Oops. My bad. Sorry about that. Just broke the stock market.
It was this guy. Where is it? Let me find out who it is. No, it's not here. It's over here. Yeah, the wild ride of the flash crash trader, that guy. It's in the off-topic thing after the John Wick one. But they had another one done by somebody else, by Billionaire Bear or something like that. The $1 Billion Bear, like, YouTube channel. All right, 5 minutes.
It looks like everyone's going through it with Discord just about right now. Talking to DK right now, and he's suffering.
Mine's totally fine.
Yeah, that was so weird.
Damn it, Bob.
I mean, nothing.
That looks like Prehab's dealing with it a little bit also.
Yeah, that was quite quite an ordeal. Like, I rebooted my computer and it did that. It was like something on their server, I would guess, if everyone's having the same issue. API issues for desktop apps. Gotcha. That's what Rainier's saying.
Amazing. Outstanding. Alright. Well, the chart ready. A little behind the 8 ball here.
Let's just do some stuff here.
What was it? All right.
Less than 2 minutes. So I was talking to my dad all this week after the live and stuff, and I got him to like see things a little bit more clearly, talking about ABCs and stuff. And then he was like, "Oh my gosh, this changes everything." And I was like, "It does."
Once you see ABCs, they cannot be unseen.
Then he managed to like get in and out of, like, you know, he made some stacks within like an hour, and then he was neutral, and I was like, that's the way to do it. See you tomorrow.
Really is, man. It was kind of yesterday. I kind of tore up the first 10 minutes or so and then just chilled out. It's nice. It's a lot nicer. Instead of, you know, trudging through it the whole day. Okay.
30 seconds. Oddly holding the cloud for that extended M idea. But here we go with 5 seconds. Boom.
Oh. Bing bong. Winner. Another winner. Fuck yeah.
Boom. I took that too.
Let's go.
All right. I saw it break the cloud. I was like, yeah, I'll take it. Clicked.
I'm running the copier. My fills, I had one fill get a little weird. One only filled for $100. The rest of them filled much nicer. Either
Nice.
way, I just hit 5 accounts at one time for about $160 each.
Good stuff.
It's a week's pay right there, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Plus 1. Damn. Oh. Alright.
Are you doing it manually or are you using ATMs and stuff?
I ATM everything, Danny. It's
Yeah, no,
it's
same,
too fast
same,
in the morning.
Yeah, I feel you.
So yeah, it's just too fast. So I ATM out.
It's either like you get it or you don't, and that's the end after hitting the button.
Bing, another winner. I'm just taking like 14 ticks. I just try to trade it like a bot.
That's the way to do it, really.
Oh, there was a short there. Nah, I didn't really have an in on that. I don't want to pretend I had a take on that.
I've been an idiot, but
The bearish divergence.
You're an
on
idiot
the moment.
box. Winner. I love this so much. Winner.
had some mushrooms or something this morning.
I don't know, man. I've just been on a heater with the open the past few days. Some mushrooms. Don't threaten me with a good time. What are you doing, Danny? What do you got cooking over there, buddy?
Just chilling. I'm kind of. I was feeling the extended M, but I didn't pull the trigger. I'm thinking that it's going to go up a little bit, but I don't know.
See, I kind of like this wick up at 16.
Getting the finger up and some money stacks right now.
See you. I see you. I like this wick. We'll see. Ooh, you gonna leave it? You gonna leave it high and dry? Come on, you gotta go get the wick. You always do. Rude. Winner.
Boom, got that.
Nice. There it. Oh, come on. Go,
Yeah, the
go,
runner's
go.
Oh, he got it.
Go get it. Go get it. Come on, go get it. Oh, come on. Give me a break.
The finger up in the stack was what I got it on. I just waited for it to dip a little bit.
I like it. I like it. Come on, this thing has to go. I don't know why I have this so stuck in my mind that this has to happen, but it is not going away until it does.
There's a fair value gap at 26. I don't know if they would go up to that level, but we wicked off the 706 already once, so at 16.
It's a rude candle.
They're like, get off me, minis players, get off me.
It's me. I'm minis players.
Overall, developing a little bit of that bully D. Might have already played out though. Kind of beneath the trend dots on the 4 minute with the cross down event at some point. Subsiding. Cloud kind of bearish too, overall selling. Let's go see what the contracts in a toss have to say for themselves. Alright. coming into some sell side. 319 sell side imbalance there after previously inducing 240 to the
Winner.
buy side. Alright.
Right. Are you running you're running what, 3 or 5 packs of mics, Danny?
Yeah, 3 mics just to get my whistle, wet my whistle a little bit.
Nice. Very nice. Good deal, man. Yeah, I mean, if you're linking accounts on, man, they will pay you. They will pay you good.
That might be, let's see. Took a little bit too long there, but it might not work. Let's see.
We ride together. Oh my god, I just got one ticked. Again, I just got one ticked twice.
Hey, come on, man. Nah. Alright, that stopped me out.
Same. That looked good to me too. I got one ticked 2 times, didn't close it, so that one's on me.
Two out of 3. Wait, can you hear your voice? No, right?
I can. Me and Bob are definitely on YouTube right now.
Oh. Really?
It's fine. Yeah. It's not the first time I've been streamed on YouTube. We're good.
Wait, how does that work exactly? Do I have a settings thing where...
No, we're just on your Discord.
And what, that audio?
Yeah,
is? I see. Probably like I have my audio on OBS. I have like my audio, my Mac OS is what is. That's how I play like the music and stuff. It's like a screen capture, so anything that's happening on the screen.
Bing.
Gotcha.
Definitely not revenge traded. Another little winner in there.
Well, it's better than me talking to the ether, but.
We are the ether, Danny. We are the ether.
Alright, I took that for what it was worth. Back positive again.
Good.
Right.
Good. Let's find a good one here. It's cooking something up nice for us here. We got some whole number drama going on. What you got, Bob? You take anything yet? You just chilling?
I don't ever take any for the first 15 minutes.
That's a smart idea, actually.
Yeah, you're the smart one here, to be honest. I'm over here being a degenerate. I've already taken about 12 trades.
I'm on number 4.
Nice. I'm up pretty good.
549 stopped out there in sell side just before it bounced out. It's really fun to watch how like the footprints like do their thing. It's just,
Ding! Winner.
ooh, rejection off the cloud to the downside, coming into the sell side. Pools, that suppression of the 4-minute cross down and the drop beneath the trend dots had you at hello for that last 4-minute doji. That bearish divergence in the flame on the 1 minute.
I'd like to see if we could find one of those little 786 party animals. That'd be fabulous.
Yeah, I already have mine marked off down at 14,941. We'll see.
Nice. Ooh, this had a little ABC vibe to this little push up. Oh Jesus Christ! I'm on the 10-second chart. 30-second. I mean, you can kind of see it there. It's not nearly as clean. I don't know why I was on such a low time frame.
Prehabs, like they're definitely in here. I can hear them plain as day.
Yeah, I usually don't go down to the 10-second anymore. I don't really know what was going on there.
It's probably it's that screen. It's the way I play audio too. I have my audio going from my screen because it's Mac, so I just capture the screen stuff.
No worries. Okay. I think Ooh, no. Come down a little more. Not giving me my setup. Okay.
I
Alright,
see
let's
what you're
go.
looking at, Smurf.
Winner. Instant winner. It just disappeared from my chart as soon as I opened it. Yo, it's doing it. It's such a small one that, like, you should already be out of it. This actually.
Let's see. Go to the hourly here and again 344 stopped out sell side, then brought back up 124 reduced. They peeled off 1,000 contracts in the buy side session imbalance, and that dropped down there, so you're down to 2,000 buy side inefficiency, imbalance, whatever. No, I didn't want to quit it.
Ben, Zach, I see you in the chat. Oh, a wild Smurf, he says. Slightly wild. I'm still feeling 516 here, or 016. Maybe it's just gonna make a fool out of me. Like I need any help with that. Yep. That was a nice little play. There was a little. I had a small entry show up at 983. Got a push to just damn near a 20-point push out of it.
Nice. Wait, why is this one not moving? Oh, okay, I moved over. All right.
Winner. It's good. I don't think I'm hitting quite as accurate as I was yesterday, but we're still up pretty nicely. Yesterday it was like out of control with the accuracy.
Yeah, there are those times. Hey, what's up?
Yo, what's up, Zach?
What up? Yeah, I was all raring to go to hit that strat, Smurf, and it was starting to get a little choppy real quick. Like I'm not. So I did hit a nice little banger on 5 mics.
Good. Bing. Another winner. Yeah. Fucking P&L's looking pretty green. Alright, well, let's see, man, this thing. So I re-entered again down at 983. I'm just like being borderline stubborn right now. Go baby, go baby, go. Go baby, go. Go. Come on. Come on, don't be stingy. Sin's being stingy.
Send him to 1520.
Come on.
Yeah, the 1526 has that fair value gap. The previous wick at the 706 at 1516. Looks like we're going to get that wick.
Come on, baby, go get the wicks. I'm starting to trail tight.
The 4-minute cloud is still pretty strong. You wicked off it a few times. Extended M for the win.
McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-bum.
I'm selling it.
I'm still I love that. It's perfect.
That was still a nice move. I'm not mad about that one.
Chop, chop, chop.
That was actually fantastic. Chop suey.
So we're just hovering around the point of control at 15K even is the point of control. There's a VWAP down at 955, value area low 937, value area high 1514.
Oh yeah, we're just getting bounced around. Look at this. This is it's pretty ugly for opening. Like we're really
It is.
Yeah,
really
there were
through
those
the idiot
times
box.
when we would be in the chat together when it was just literally one pivot and you just take that first pivot and that would be it.
First turn.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Those were great first turn.
You're just
First
like,
turn bang.
"Eee."
I mean, I'm down here pretty low. I'm down on the 15 second. I'm getting higher lows and getting higher lows. I got a higher
We're above
high,
the cloud
put
on the
another higher
30
high, we're in
second now.
business.
And the 1 minute.
I see you. Yeah, it actually just took a perfect cloud bounce on 15, like right off the middle cloudy boy itself, and bing! There it is. Let's go! Pay up, pay up,
Boom!
pay up.
You hit that vector recovery complete.
That's beautiful, boys.
Let's go!
So you had this hidden
Bing
bullish
bong.
on the oscillator of Optima too on the 1 minute. Damn.
Woo.
And there
Big
you go. On the 1 minute, you went right above there. You hit that cloud. You closed above it, and it was gone. Now you're up to the 1540. Holy moly! They took them squeeze shorts for a ride.
Made it hurt.
This last 1 minute candle is stupid. Straight up.
Just a Shoryuken to the face.
Shoryuken! Yes, sir.
Nothing like a classic Street Fighter reference on a Friday.
Oh yeah, man. Say it at work a lot.
Tatsumaki Senpuken! I used to thought it was Tatsumaki Senpuken actually, but it's Senpukyaku or something. I was like, wait, did he say Kyaku? I didn't know that. Tatsumaki Senpukyaku.
Yaku. Man, I would like to learn Japanese. It was hard. I tried. Just like I used to get all the Japanese translation cheats, and it was like too many alphabets. It's like, oh my god, can't do it. Alright, so this thing kind of set my play up here. I put it in the premium chat. Kind of. First, it was that little bump. I actually took that. There's that kind of red down
Oh
bar.
yeah,
right
you
off
had
of
that
where
nice
C is.
that cloud bounce, boom, off the 15
Yeah.
second. This is what I
Yeah,
was
and then
telling
the
my
clock
dad
did-
about yesterday with the ABCs, and I'm like, you're waiting for that cloud thing. And he's like, holy moly. He's like, I
Yeah,
knew your
dude.
thing was thing, but yeah, it's like you had it on the 30 second and the 1 minute too. That's why I was like, you're above the cloud now, and you just kissed it. And the 4
That's when you
minute,
give them
Yeah.
the
the
4
thing is a
minute.
thing.
Yeah, I mean it kind of 15 second under a little. It didn't really break it though, and then it tapped that level. I saw it wick up. I just fired back into it.
All right, so we're getting that vector candle on the 4 minute, oversold to 2.
Okay, so yeah, that was good, man. That was a good little move.
Wonder if they have a star for the 10 o'clock algo for us today. That'll be interesting to see.
Yep. No, they've already popped their heads above the range. They got their turtle poking out. They're just like possibly gonna run it up a little bit further. There's a bunch of fair value gaps in this entire way up from 15k down, like 1553, 1581, 1598. 130. There's like a bunch to possibly go into.
Yeah.
What is that? 2, 3. That's like a 2 level on a trend-based fib right there.
Going back for a 15K retest, possibly.
I like this interactive version. Thanks for the idea. It's pretty cool.
So there's a news driver in there's a 10 o'clock news driver today, right?
Oh, is there? News
I believe there
inbound.
is. Let me check.
Wait.
Today's Friday, 10 a.m. Yeah, there's a red folder coming up in 7 minutes.
Oh, revised UOM consumer sentiment. 7 minutes, yeah.
That could be important.
Yeah, I'll stay out. Well, you know, I'll mostly stay out.
You never.
I'll stay out till it's time to get in.
Right. I wanted to hit that dip and rip at 8:30. I hope you got a part of that. I know you did.
No, man, I was going through it. I was going through tech support problems.
Yeah, same here. That's why I didn't hit it. Like I was trying to figure out what was wrong with Discord, and I realized it wasn't just me.
Oh, that's good. I mean, I was like, yeah, streaming. Right before I was streaming, it happened. I was like, great.
Yeah.
And that I was like,
I'd never
I was
seen
like-
like, well, you've been blocked from Discord. Like, wait, what?
yeah. It's like you've been banned. Congratulations. It's
It's
wait,
like
what?
oh, okay. And then I realized the phone still works, and that's what I'm doing right now. So
Boom, boom, doom. It could be that like Friday send party. You know what I mean?
I'm here for it.
Like they just go and negate all of the drop down. You're just like,
completely send it 200 points in the next like 30 minutes.
Oh, I'm definitely here for that. Oh,
Cloud on the 30-second and the 1 minute looks pretty decent right now.
go baby, go baby, go baby, go baby, go. Go baby, go. Peeling one out. Let's go. We are turned up. Bing. Take one off. Stops break even. Let's go.
Do you have a button to do that?
No, so I'm using the ATM opens up on my Ninja chart, and I'm just dragging my
I see. You
all my
move it.
trade management as soon as I'm in the trade happens through Ninja.
Yeah.
So I'm
Same.
just
I
dragging-
have that charts thing.
Yeah. So I'm looking for 37 here. If I could get that, that would be amazing. But I'm trailing in profit too. And it's coming for me. Don't do it. Don't do it. It did.
It did.
It's fine.
It chopped it.
Yeah, it's fine. That's why I scale out.
You got a solid piece out of that first impulse, though, so it's all right.
That was nice. Well, it did the move. I don't know if I can recognize it over here quite as much as
Yesterday,
was
that
able to on the
78
bricks.
that 786 bounce idea was pretty fire.
Dude,
It's
it
a
was
shame.
just on fire yesterday.
Shame it
It was
was
crazy. I don't think this thing's done.
786.
I'm not here for it.
360.
I made a roundy there too. Kind of a little double bottoming. Let's see. Alright, so if we're looking for wicks, 40's the spot. And what's underneath here?
4
And
minutes.
76. Got some wicks. Pull this off. Bing. Get rid of that. And yeah, how about that? That was a little vector recovery on that big old greenie.
Yeah, technically, if you just use that from here, that was like a 50% recoveroo.
Yep. I see you.
They're doing that 2 o'clock drift pattern, that ascending channel, just like, we're just gonna drift up here. You won't be able to guess where the sea leg ends, kind of thing.
Yep. It's always fun.
Help me! Oh, it got a little weird. I just got bailed out. Oh my god, I just got bailed out. So lucky.
Boom.
Alright, we're going for 40. Yep, there it is. Bing bong.
53. Incoming, maybe?
We're turned up.
2 minutes for the hourly close, or less than a minute and a half.
Ding! Winner. Alright, I'll stop dancing with this news release that's about to happen and see how many trades I can squeeze in before it goes. Living dangerously over here.
You're like
What's your challenge?
cutting it down to the last minute.
Yeah, down to the wire.
They get another 2 or 3 wins before this drops? Let's see.
Stop dancing. Alright, and... Alright, 45 seconds.
Booyah.
Break it down, break it up to the 30-second.
30 seconds remaining.
Alright, wait for it.
Go now.
I mean, that was something, not insane.
Not too great yet.
The news didn't really have any difference.
Winner. Bing! Another winner. This is ridiculous. I'm just taking like 14 ticks at a time.
Yep.
That's why these trades last for like...
2 seconds.
Yeah.
3 seconds, 5 seconds.
Yeah, the stats were hilarious yesterday. My longs are skewed because I took that one in the morning. That went for like a couple minutes. But my average time in shorts was like 0.17 minutes.
Did you guys pick any of the 90% discount stuff up, or?
I haven't. I am probably going to grab a couple Apexes.
So I'm good. Got Divergence starting to show here on the 1 minute.
Oh my god, I just had an Undertaker trade. I got like 2 ticked on my stop and then it dropped down, knocked me out, and then jumped up again. That was extreme luck.
So we're at another fair value gap recovery at 53. Does it have a reaction here? I don't know. Guess not.
Where are we looking, man? I gotta get weird right now and get up on a time frame. See what's going on over here. Get on the right ticker, that'd be helpful.
So we had 730 cumulative on that surge up to 50 in positive buy side imbalance. So just ripping it up.
About 15,113. Far away, but looks good. Get real weird. We get real weird. We could go to 391. All today, of course. Right now. Just send it straight to 391. Next 10-second candle.
Don't they have like an auto pause thing if it goes too much?
I think so. I've never seen it kick on though.
The regular stock market does. I'm not so sure about futures.
The guy that crashed it was doing futures. He made this algorithm that like he would read the quants stuff and like, yeah, he would like mess with their algo.
And I remember there was one of the I forgot which one of the props. One of the props in the terms and conditions says that like, yeah, there's like an auto pause feature on the chart that'll shut it off if it gets too out of control. Never seen it happen. And at this point I've seen this thing move hundreds of points each direction a day and it's never kicked on, so it would have to really be something.
Yeah. That one day where we lost, what, 400 or 500 points in that single day and just kept sliding and sliding and sliding and nothing ever.
Yeah, it was like it's like it's fine. It's all good.
Like it'll be fine.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
It's got to slide 1,000 plus in order for us to even blink, probably, and then that's how they're thinking about it.
Okay. So there was like some buy side imbalance that
winner.
I was seeing. So.
That's how they're.
Took that for a little bit of a short.
Sweet.
I also participated with you. Always a pleasure making money with friends.
I saw that 700, what's it called, contracts on the ATOS here. There was 730 buy side squeezed up here at 550 or 1550, and I was like, you know what? They're probably gonna go a little bit down to test whether that is a long or not. And sure enough, I mean, that's all you need. It's a little bit. All you need is to be just slightly right.
Beautiful thing. Ding.
Getting to 7 time frames overbought now.
Ooh.
Money flying away.
Nice.
Flying away, cascading. Maybe I could switch to an extra, like a different trail stop or something, so that it's not like
Yeah.
And let's go see. So that 730 was what I was looking at right there. So I'm going to zoom in. Let's go see this. So they took out 1,000 in sell side there on that drop.
My accuracy is terrible today.
It's still going lower.
Okay, yeah, I'm seeing it now. Everyone got the same message I did. I was like, oh my god, what did I do? How did I get blocked? What's going on
Right.
here?
Right.
Whose Wheaties did I piss in?
Gotta love the delay. Back up to the latest value gap.
Bullish, big time. That is kind of a lot of candlesticks in between, though. Okay, let's have a little fun here. And I got left at the altar. Bing. Went through a little heat on that one.
Right.
The order that got left at the altar got picked up and went straight into drawdown.
You got taken for a bit of a ride the wrong way.
It did. It was fine though. All's well that ends well. It's kind of a W here. Let's see. Oh, that wick. Yeah, here we go. I mean, what are we looking at over the top here? Or down here? We still got 976 on the downside. Pull up here to 61 on the upside. Man, I just saw something. I just realized what's going on here.
Sergi just said, glad I slept in.
And I just need Disney to just break 80 and make it stick and just die.
Yeah. Couldn't
They're
hurt.
really defending. They're defending 80 so bad. If it breaks through that, it's going to be the trade of a lifetime.
Yeah, because it's going to go down to like 60 something.
You already know I'm going to close at 69.
Mm-hmm.
Tesla's
I know,
sending
yeah.
it.
There are very few guarantees in this world. That's one of them.
You got Tesla up 3%. You got Apple. Apple's green. This hourly candle looks like shit though. Well, I was just gonna do something. I can't remember what. Oh well, it can wait. Whatever it was. Clearly it was. Oh, I was gonna look at Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin's nosediving. Ooh, little fair value gap recovery, Bitcoin. Why am I
All
looking
right,
at
sorry.
Bitcoin? You good? Hold the fort.
Okay.
Bitcoin and right into that gap. I think that's something purely coincidental, I'm sure. Ooh, nosedive. Okay, let's see it. Alright, get rid of this.
Got support here just under 15,010.
There we go. I heard support and I just longed, you know.
Financial advice, dude.
You're welcome, Danny.
Well, I also saw on my fibs, I was like, we were bouncing off the 6.5 of the bearish nature. So I was like, all right, I see confluence, and you're talking confluence to me. It knocked me out in profit either way.
This is not financial advice, YouTube.
Yeah, there's a
Right?
wait. It's still in it. Sometimes it's still in the thing. I gotta make sure it's like flat. This is weird. Sometimes it's too fast, like the trailing stop loss is too fast to activate on all of them, you know?
Yeah.
You gotta, I like how they added on Replikanto the flatten all. Makes it like, you know, better.
Kind of your emergency failsafe.
Yeah.
The bailout. This is a little ABC vibe on the 30-second.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom, boom.
We kind of already bearishly retest the cloud on the 30-second from what I'm looking at. I mean, like this could be like a 236 entry for a short if it continues beneath this 31 level.
I think I see what's going on here. Can I do this? Do I even know how to do this correctly? Maybe. Yeah, that actually looks like.
Take it. Let's
Sells.
just try it. You don't know if you don't try. And there you go. And there
Bing.
you go.
Winner.
236 for the win. 236 for the win.
Let's go.
So this 236 here at 1531 on my chart with what I was seeing for that. But, you know, it just knocked me out in profit, son of a gun.
Winner.
And we're just drifting. Delete this fair value gap recovered already. This one recovered already. And slowly seeing the suppression of the baselines on the 1 minute, cross down event on the 4 minute. This is your extended M. McDonald's. You got a 15K C wave potential coming down from this B on the math anyway. And this like deep level of the math would take you down to 14,942, which would be the 786 of the impulse. Interesting.
942. Oh yeah.
This thing on my 30 seconds. Whoops. My dad was trying to call me to look at his position, which was in profit. He was like, "Yeah, should I close it?" I'm like, if the baselines are crossing against you, LAB. He trades like biotech stocks, like ETFs, like LABD and LABU. So he's in like
right, the leverage,
yeah.
the 3x.
Yeah, so he's in LABD, and he like full ports those things. And I was telling him, like, if you get a kiss off the cloud, then you're all good. But generally, you know, the cross down events are, you know, depends on what you're trying to play on this. I said we're probably going to get a retrace down, so you know the bear shares that you're in could continue. So, I mean,
you guys got some degen tendencies, huh?
Huh? Well, I mean,
Dad's got some degen tendencies.
Kind of.
I like it.
But he has the ability to
is...
like DCA and stuff, so
nice.
Yeah, it's like he doesn't immediately put it all on the table, but so we're breaking the 706 region, coming down to the 786 of this bearish trend base fib level. The one is at 15k. This cloud on the 30-second with that like shift and the bearish retest, the B wave that came up and bearishly kissed it, was like a really nice clue for a short right there.
This thing just front ran the whole number.
Yeah, they wanted to get those
really
shorts
that
that came in like, you think we're going to 15k now? So we're coming back to the, let me call him though just to make sure, because I don't want to be like having closed the position and it's like possibly he could get more money. Hold up.
Look at that.
That's
a wild animal.
That's
What a wild
786.
animal. Bing. The doors. Get out of here. You're really gonna make it happen with this whole number? There it goes. Okay. 74. 77. Looking at for pushing up a low. Danny had that dead on the screws. 94. Bang. Got it. It's a good call. Here we go. Winner. Got a little horsey there.
London highs at
Bang.
965.5.
And there's that little touch on that wick at 74. Would you say that was it 64?
65.5.
65. In there. It's beautiful. I think I got another Buell Ox resets this weekend. And that was a short opportunity right there. I took 5 accounts and linked them all at one Zach.
Nice.
2 scalps.
Great job, dude.
They were pretty good. I actually micro scalped the first one and then threw in the minis. But one of them, I don't know, one of them only closed with $107 profit. Everything else closed with over 150. Yeah, I made $740 off those. That was it. That's all I did. It's pretty silly.
Oh, it wasn't done that, so. Alright. Trying to do these 5-pack micro scalps, 4 out at 5 points, and then have a runner on the last one.
Green, you chilling?
Not anymore. I was.
Was green, past tense?
Was, yeah. Lost a few, but.
Yeah, I gotta
Nothing.
say, like, this thing definitely, its highest effectiveness is definitely, like, early on. And... come on. Do it. There you go, winner. And my stats do not look like they did yesterday at all. Let's see, where are we at? Go 929. Generate. The win rate today, 72%. Yeah, I mean, if today's a bad day on it and it hit 72%, I'm pretty good with that.
Pretty damn solid, yeah. I got wicked around on some of these last ones and gave back a few, but luckily my risk is pretty well defined on those trades. It's only $50 trim per, so I just got to hit a few more.
Yeah, I mean, for me, like, it's good training for me, because then I don't play with my food, you know what I mean? Like, I open the trade and then I just take my hand off the mouse, and either fucker either wins or loses.
I let it go because it's it's only 5 points on 5 microns. Worst case scenario, I lose $50 on the trade. Unfortunately, I'd lost like 2 or 3 in a row. It doesn't help, but
just wait for one that looks good. Ooh.
All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. I was, he's still in it, and he was riding. Like the LABD, he's in as a bear share, so he's up massive on the drop. I was just like, yeah, you don't need to close it. Wait, I was telling him, wait, if we get to the 786 on Nasdaq down at the 942 region, like this could be like a one last like trap before they reverse it.
That
would be nice.
That thing looks good. Tell you what, man, 2094 looks good for him. That'd be interesting.
Yeah, so he just goes in LABD and LABU, and he's just playing these little, like, biotech stuff. I mean, you're technically at the 1618 here, but it's probably like another trap. Sorry, I was not attending. Zach, you were saying like you got chopped up a little bit on the last bit?
The last handful, yeah. Like I was up about, like 150 per account. I'm down like after commissions down like $70, but it's all right.
It's always possible to make it back up here. We're basically back at the point of control. Point of control at, VWAP at 973. And point of control at 15K, and we're at session delta now negative, so they're now bumping into the sell side. And they're kind
I'm just running this 5 micro scalp strat ATM, and I'm just going to keep doing that just to try to.
Yeah, I was actually on the 5-pack
myself.
Yep. I switched it up after I took like a few more wins.
Man, that double bottom.
Yeah,
it did.
Look at that thing. Look at her go. Bob's over here printing money, having a laugh.
Bob was waiting for that thing. He's like, yeah!
Well, look, I mean, I'm on your 30-second chart here, and
you got the money stack,
I mean,
stack. You were oversold on Optima. You were basically at this
obvious divergence on. Yeah, you had obvious divergence on both of the both oscillators there. That was a money play. All right, Bob. Let's see. Can we get you to 14? You out already?
About to get out.
Do you have any? Yeah. 20 points. This is Banger Town.
Good enough for me, dude.
It's a good day's pay right there, my guy.
Especially on 3 accounts.
You're sick. You're sick. How many contracts you in?
One mini times 3 accounts up.
Nice.
That's healthy right there, brother.
Yeah, you're living good. It's 20 points is what?
Boom.
It's $400, 400.
Yeah, you did have that
Jesus
divergence.
Christ.
You had that higher low on Optima and a lower low on the price right there for that double bottom. I was on the phone at the time. I should have been like, Dad, I gotta go.
Let's a turn up. Come on, 514 or 15. Give me 15. Give me 15. Give Bob. Oh, come on. Come on.
Ow.
Took it. You're good, man. I would have sat here and got myself stuck in a staring contest.
Ah, dude.
Oops.
That was an easy 20 points. I don't look a gift horse in the mouth.
We came back to the 706 of the bearish trend-based fib and then bounced, rejected off it. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
I don't realize you just made a sly horse reference there, Bob.
Gift horse.
To the horse. To the horse. The gift horse. We are gift horses. We're gift horses.
Don't look at a degen horse in the...
Gifted, maybe. We're gonna hold 15 on this last trip down to it.
This could be a larger B, like, I don't know, like a B for a larger C down to that 786 down at 940. We're still respecting the fibs for the initial bearish nature as long as we keep going lower. I don't know. Let's go see what the contracts have to say for themselves. So, session delta is kind of even. We're negative 269 for the thing. We're basically back at the point of control. Pretty crazy. Back at 15K.
Yeah, we got your 994 nice and comfortably. It's very interesting putting a candlestick chart directly next to a Renko chart.
It's a little trippy, isn't it?
That's kind of why I made that light thing, because the light kind of makes those channels kind of like bricks, you know. It kind of turns the candles into it. So you could just see it as like momentum or whatever.
Right. Yeah, I get it now. Okay, I'm gonna try something here. Oh, that was a 618 bounce. That was really not what I was wanting. Okay, fine. Be like that.
Being a little stubborn right now.
It's 80. Yeah, here we are back under the whole number again. Are we just going to be whole number drama today? Whole number rejection Friday or whole number Sem Party Friday?
Good question. Being a little stubborn.
This thing is on. I mean, I kind of have an idea here. Like, that was a push out from a bottom. That's kind of where I start looking for these.
I know what you're looking for.
You're looking for the shark fin?
Well, we kind of sort of got one there, so this is where I'm looking for a retrace. Because the way I like to play the ABCs, I like to really get like a tight bottom or top structure, and then the big high volume push out, then the retrace, and then the continuation send, and bang, that's a winner, and it worked. It didn't really go as low as I wanted, so I got a little horsey with it.
Yeah, you did get horsey with it, because I'm looking at the same thing.
Yeah, I mean, it was 618. It wasn't that horsey. It was pretty horsey.
Technically,
right?
it did that twice. I've talked about it a few times on the live. Like, if you get that second hit to the golden pocket, that's generally your easier idea is when it hits the second time. Because the first time it might just go through it as if it doesn't exist, so it's better to just wait to see if it does it a second.
Yeah. Oh, this thing might not be ready to take off all the way quite yet. What time frame are you taking your fib on, Danny?
I have a few that I've pulled so far. This one is like on the 32nd. I'm just going from wick to wick of the impulse there.
Right on. Let's see. Trying to turn up again. Away she goes.
Basically came down to that 8 bar at 990 on the SMA.
Chopped up here, boys. I was late on that one too, though, so it's my fault.
What you got there, bud?
I think it was like 5 out of 7 so far today. Maybe only 1 loss too. No, it was 2 in the beginning. So it's pretty good.
That is pretty good. Certainly not doing what I did yesterday, but enough to be profitable.
It's idiot boxing.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I mean, and this could just be like an idiot box of a B down to a C below. For a larger time frame, 786 down here, if you're looking at my screen, like there's a 786 down here at that 4150 region from this original impulse out from the pre-market double bottom here, and that entire impulse to the upside 786, you know, with the math of the original impulse retrace here, that 2414 for whatever reason coincides with that. And we've rejected off the 7806 so far, so we could be creating this as a B wave into a larger C here. Like this is just a B, C to that, you know, 786 region.
A, B, see you later.
Or you could just bounce out from here, I don't know. Here for it either way, but I'm just not in anything right now.
Same.
Cloud is thinning on the 32nd though, but you're getting that rejection off the 1 minute cloud, which is still purple and bearish. So
Micro idiot box.
this could be the dollar cost average trap for the longs to go to their demise below.
Ding. I may or may not have just taken a short and gotten out quick. My shorts are hitting really good today. I'm struggling with my longs. My longs I'm only hitting 52%. My longs I'm hitting over 80. Or my shorts I'm hitting over 80. Yesterday I was 97% on my longs.
Nice. Let's go.
It's good. It says I've taken a lot of trades today, like kind of an absurd number.
Oh, shit. It's going against me right now. Fuck. It's all good.
See what's going on here. Turn it down, make a little. Here, I'm gonna try and make some sauce for you real quick.
Well, it is an idiot box after all.
Send it down. Send it down. There you go. Come on.
Boom, boom, boom.
Good? TP'd?
Yeah. And stop.
Nice.
This ATM is really aggressive, so it's like, boop, 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 boop.
Yeah.
Took another one. Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
All right. We're good. And it stopped out in profit. Good. And that went down to the 706 region of this, so it could be bouncing out here too, but that was just, it was what it was in that 30 seconds of fun.
Yeah, it's, there's no need to push it.
And that's why I love the ATM strategies, because it's like, whatever you were feeling in that moment, as long as it was right, and you don't have to like buy into like, because if your human emotions will keep you glued to that idea longer than the robot will. So just let it kick you out in profit and be like, oh, I guess it was right for that moment only.
Look at that turn, man. What was that?
Send and bounce. Jesus.
I see it now. 30 seconds. That's a shallow.
Yeah,
Bing,
that went into the 6-5 region.
Bing. Pulling off the top row.
706. Dude.
Uh-huh.
Let's go.
Is that the sound of Bob in a trade again?
Already closed.
Oh, here we go. Are we going? Let's see if we got 14. I'm asking a lot out of it. If you get 14, then you get 23.
Boop, boop, boop.
Let's mark this out. We got 33.
That could have been a reverse.
40. There it goes. Bang. Just took the level. Beautiful. Outstanding.
Booyah. Let's go see what's cooking in
A
the
little
contract.
printer, dude.
So you had about 997 in buy side liquidity grabbed there, and that burst up.
Fatality.
So they got the shorts.
Ooh, that was a rude boy candle right there.
Thankfully I was... Oh yeah, they went back quick there at that 6.5. Did we go back
I'm
further?
telling you, this thing don't mess around. It's like if you don't pay yourself, it will make you
Make
regret
you
it.
regret it real quick.
I wonder how Nutty's doing. Did he put out a video at all recently?
I haven't had any show up in my feed. And that's a little winner. Very good. Had to pad my stats on my win rates on my longs, man. They've been struggling.
There was a money bag there on the 32nd off that golden pocket bounce. So it looks like we're negating this bearish trend thing, so I'm going to delete that because there's too many lines right now. Let's get rid of this.
This thing's taking the long way to get there. I really want to see this 20s into 30s.
Yeah.
Approaching the last 13 minutes of the hour. A few days this past week, I've noticed like a trade present itself on the end of the hour a lot. And as I'm saying, like, I'm saying thank you for coming on in, and then I'm like hitting enter because off there.
Firing into one. Then 24. Why is 24 marked out? Oh, well, that's interesting.
Boom.
24, I got 87. What's at 87? I don't know why you're marked off there, but do you. $10 a.m. What happened at 10 a.m.? Oh, the short. Oh, JT, man.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, dude. Banger.
How's the hockey thing going? Good?
It's pretty good. I got lit up pretty good yesterday.
Lit
But
up?
other than that,
Like people
I got a bunch of goals scored on me. Yeah, I did not play good hockey yesterday. Other than that, well, I got put on a bad team. Like they do like a draft, so the worst team gets a high draft pick, and unfortunately, I had a high ranking, so I was an early draft pick.
Ah.
So my Tuesday team, the chick that captains my Tuesday team, kind of scammed them so she could get me back. My Tuesday team's pretty good.
Tuesday.
We got this chick on my Tuesday team. She's about 5'3", about 120 pounds, and she just makes these guys look like stupid. She's so good.
That's cool. As long as it's like not like your body. It's like is it what? It's on ice.
Yeah. It's just beer league though. It's not like a hitting league.
Yeah. So that'd be fucked up if you like body check someone like boom.
Oh, the girls are aggressive, man. There's a lot of girls that play well, and they're not afraid to hit. It's funny.
I got scored on by a girl yesterday. Actually, it was a girl-to-girl play. I wasn't even mad. It was so nice. Like, she sends a perfect pass to the front of the net, right off the girl that's in front of me, and tips it right up into the upper corner. And I'm like, fucking, I'm not even mad. Like, that was nice.
I took that aggressive short for a little bit.
Perfect.
Nine. So 7 out of 9. Can we push this a little bit further? No? Let me close it. Stopped in profit.
The old whole number. Yeah, sometimes if you're already in profit though, sometimes it's worth staying in, because if it breaks the whole number, it can get a little dramatic.
Dramatico. Coming back to the cloud too. Cloud on the 30-second and the 1 minute, which is curving in a manner here. We are technically making like a regression trend up. All right, approaching the end of the hour and 8 minutes.
I can't believe Discord broke today.
Yeah, I'm glad that I'm not glad that others were involved, but I'm glad it wasn't just me, you know.
Yeah, that's what I thought at
What
first.
the
I was like,
heck
oh
did
my
I do?
God.
I just rebooted my computer.
Yeah, that was actually the first thing I did. I ran a malware check. I'm like, what's going on here?
Like, what's messing with the system here?
Yeah,
Speaking of messing, the chart's a little bit funky right now.
back at the cloud on the 1 minute. Let's go take a look at the 4, see if it's creating indecision. We got a bull hammer. Starting to make some indecision. This could be possible beginnings of something. Basically just trading between the channels.
Missed it. You see it, Bob?
Yep.
I whiffed. Yep. 993 entry. Damn it. Oh no.
Yep. I'm seeing the exact same thing again. Yeah.
What did you see? Did you post it?
I'll post it in right now, sir.
706 pullback on the 30-second.
Ah.
Jump in. Let's check it out.
Oh yeah, it was. Dude, that was perfect.
How about that? I'm starting to get like the eyeball just to see them without having to measure it. It's just like, oh yeah, that's it.
It was also the bottom of this regression trend. Like, it was just like it literally came to the bottom and bounced, and it's just trading within this like linear regression up.
Beautiful. That's a beautiful thing right there. That was a banger. What did that go for? I mean, that tap, like, give me a break. And that's the ABC. And then boom. There you got your higher high, your divergence, not confirmed yet, but that's usually what divergence looks like. But I'm not trying to short that. I don't trust it. When it does this, sometimes it gets pretty funky. Short was on.
Oh yeah, come on. I'm here for it. Here for it.
Short Torellos.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, man.
Stop that, my brother. Hold on. Alright, well, we were 8 for 10. We weren't really going through the play-by-play for it today, but we were just chilling on the Friday with some friends. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to everything, links are in the description for more. As we approach the end of the hour, are we making a C leg down to the 786 of the larger impulse to the pre-market upside down at 491 or 14,941? I don't know. Could be a C wave down if they induced enough in this B wave. Let's look at the toss one last time, and then we'll go strictly to the Discord. 571 buy sell side stopped out there in that last 2 minutes. 258 at 990. That was contracts liquidated. And we will see whether the C comes to fruition or not. The VWAP is down at 977. We're beneath the point of control, and the value area low at 937. Value area high at 1514. Try out the footprint chart if you're interested. Also, link for that for the free trial in the description. All right. I'm getting better at, like, you know, kind of sensing when the aggressive move has been like a trap has been hooked, you know, and then maybe you don't have the best entry, but it's kind of gonna go with some ticks in your favor, kind of thing. You know,
Yeah, you just getting a piece.
and you horse into it, even though that was like totally not like calculated.
It's fine.
Totally fine.
I mean, it was a theory that I was thinking of anyway, like, are we seeing our way down and this is just a big B wave? So when I saw it aggressively rev out, I was like, what? The cloud here on the 2 minute is also thin, and we're not making bullish headway on it. It's kind of an ultimate bearish retest on the 2 minute, and with that big wick above, you came up to 25 here, just the top of that candle.
I'm gonna buy right now, and I'm not gonna lie, this is sketchy.
All right, ladies and gents, thank you for coming on into live and sharing your essence with me in this eternal moment of which we all share an inextricable and inexorable part. Thanks for doing your part, for coming on in each and every day, and we'll do the same, bringing the fire.